The US is home to some of the most prestigious universities in the world, attracting thousands of international and domestic students every year. But putting high quality teaching and cutting edge research aside, US universities are also among some of the most beautiful. College life in a beautiful and a relaxing environment can often contribute to an enhanced learning experience. Here are the top 10 beautiful college campuses in the United States. Number 10 on this list is University of Hawaii at Manoa. The flagship campus of University of Hawaii system located in Manoa is often found with the rainbow overhead because of the region's heavy rainfall. Closer to the ground, the university is just as scenic, surrounded by a lush valley of palm trees and flowers and in close proximity to the beach and university's own coral reef, which is used for its marine research. On number 9 is University of Notre Dame. The gold dome that tops the University of Notre Dame's main building may be the most iconic feature of the school's 1,250-acre campus, but there are plenty of other magnificent sights to be found in its tree-filled grounds in Notre Dame, Indiana. Among the highlights is the neo-Gothic Basilica and the Sacred Heart, resplendent with the soaring national record-breaking bell tower and sizable windows filled with stained glass. The edifice often features on the list of most stunning university churches in the US. On number 8 is Cornell University. With so many buildings listed in the US Register of Historic Places, beautiful valleys touching a spectacular Cuyahoga Lake and Ivy League tag, Cornell's 4,800-acre campus is a dream place to study. The campus features buildings built in the diverse architectural style, Gothic, Victorian, Neoclassical and Modernist, and its numerous green initiative has received accolades from environmental experts. No wonder getting into Cornell is an achievement of its own. On number 7 is Kenyon College. Kenyon College is a hidden gem in the heartland of America. This stunning 1,000-acre campus is located 45 miles from Ohio's state capital. Kenyon combines modern amenities with classic architecture and natural beauty. The campus even includes a 480-acre natural preserve. It borders the Kokosing River and includes hiking trails, wetland habitats, and gorgeous stargazing opportunities. On number 6 is Berry College. Berry College is a private liberal arts college in Georgia, and Berry College has the largest campus in the world. The combination of Gothic-style building and an impressive 27,000 acres of field, forest, clear lakes, and fountains make it surefire presence in the list of most attractive US universities and the largest campus in the world. It attracts many hikers and cyclists every year and has even been used as shooting location for films such as Remember the Titans and Sweet Home Alabama. It is easily one of the most photogenic institutions in the United States. On number 5 is Stanford University, California. Stanford University is truly one of a kind. Its sprawling 8,000-acre campus is nestled in the renowned San Francisco Bay in Palo Alto. In addition to being one of the largest college campuses, Stanford is home to some of the most amazing architecture in the United States. Stanford's Memorial Church and Cantor Arts Center are architecturally achievements worthy of textbook. Nothing compares, however, to the Hoover Tower. It is an observation platform with clear views of the gorgeous San Francisco Bay. On number 4 is the University of Colorado, Boulder. One of America's beautiful campuses is set in the scenic Colorado. The University of Colorado, Boulder is located just 30 minutes from downtown Denver. The campus buildings are known for the distinct style known as Tuscan Vernacular Revival. Additionally, the Norland Quad is the beautiful focal point of the campus and is listed on the National Register of Historic Sites. On number 3 is University of Washington at Seattle. The University of Washington at Seattle has some awe-inspiring views of Mount Rainier, the Olympic Mountains, and the Cascade Range. Now, the University of Washington also has blooming cherry trees on its campus. Ranked among the best universities in the world, even Forbes has said that University of Washington's snow-capped mountain view in the urban setting is already a sweet deal. Undoubtedly, the 703-acre campus has beauty all over its site, and coupled with a great learning environment, it is surely the place to be. On number 2 on this list is the University of Virginia. The University of Virginia could be said to have the presidential touch, as founding father Thomas Jefferson was responsible for its conception, and after the school's establishment in 1819, the development of its awe-inspiring campus. Jefferson's original vision still makes an impact on the University of Virginia's now 1,682-acre campus. Most notably though the stunning Palladian-style rotunda, which in its design draws inspiration from Rome's celebrated Pantheon. Finished in 1826, Rotunda holds the honor of being among just a trio of man-made modern US structures to be designated UNESCO World Heritage Sites. In 1976, the campus as a whole was also named the proudest achievement of American architecture in the past 200 years by the American Institute of Architects. And on the top spot, number 1 is University of California, Santa Barbara. The University of California needs no introduction as one of the most beautiful college campuses in America. It's hard to beat over 1,000 acres of oceanfront property. That's what you get at University of California at Santa Barbara. The university campus is located atop cliffs with a direct view of Pacific Ocean. The gorgeous campus includes its lagoon, miles of coastline, and even its own beach. And these were the top 10 most beautiful campuses in the United States. Do watch our university-specific videos to know in depth about some of these universities and also get admission to these most beautiful campuses. Make sure to like and share this video and subscribe to the channel for more videos on career, college admission, and personal development.